Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make ceremonial cacao. The difference between ceremonial cacao and powdered cacao is very big. It tends to be organic and the fat is preserved. It's higher in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins because it's not exposed to high temperatures, and it is minimally processed. What you'll need is ceremonial grade cacao. I will link the one that I used in the description box below. And I find such a big difference using regular cacao powder and the ceremonial one. Even the energetic level, I can really feel it. Ceremonial cacao is amazing for the third eye, the heart chakra, and the sacral, and it helps to connect you to the earth. I'm going to be using blue lotus as decoration and rose powder to elevate the frequency of the drink. But the main ingredients here is the ceremonial cacao. You can reuse regular cacao powder as well, that's not a problem. And hot water, as well as a pinch of salt and a bit of a sweetener like maple syrup or honey. I usually put a tablespoon and a half of ceremonial cacao, and if you'd like to have more of a ceremonial dose, it would be 4 tablespoons, but I would recommend starting off with 1 tablespoon because it can be quite strong of a physical and emotional reaction to it. And I put just a dash of maple syrup, cayenne pepper to really enhance that warming effect of the drink, and some hot water. Put a dash of salt as well to really accentuate the chocolate flavor of it. And then I like to blend it. You can do it on a stovetop or in a blender. And then you pour it into your favorite cup or mug. And I like to use some sage, palo santo to elevate the frequency of the drink, and add some gemstones and other things left from my altar in order to make it a piece of art. Cacao helps to elevate your creative juices, connect you to your creativity, and remind you more of who you are, to center you as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I hope to see you very soon, and thank you for watching.